Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey everybody, yes, a Stihl recall on these little flip caps right here. These toolless, they call it a toolless cap where you flip these up, take them off, right? There's actually a recall on this. Now I understand that this is an old recall, but I got some things to tell you on this. This says right here, important safety recall notice to Stihl customers. This recall is for safety reasons. Let's get right into this. First of all, I'm going to show you how you determine whether your fuel cap is recalled or not. Now, when I show you that, I still have some very important things in the rest of the video about this recall too, but let's just get in here. Let's take your cap off, and I'm going to show you this right now. There are molded letters in the underside of this cap. If you can see right in there, it is molded. There is the letter D in there. This is how my brain works. I remember this as D on there. That's recalled. That's a dud. D stands for dud, okay? That's the way it goes. Now, all of my stuff in here, everything that I have with a flip cap on there, the toolless cap, all have D's on them. They're all recalled. So I had to burn down to my buddy Dave Friesen's shop there, Friesen Rentals and Hardware, and he had a new one on it. I don't have it here with me, but I took a quick shot of it, and look at this cap. That clearly shows the letter E molded into that cap. E stands for excellent. That's just how I do it in my brain. If it's an E, it is not recalled. If it's a D, it is recalled. By the way, I have a link for you in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can go right back to the website where I got this from. It's STIHLUSA.com. Click on that link, and there's a lot more to it than this, where you can check your serial number and all that stuff. Okay, so now the other things I want to tell you about, I actually phoned Stihl, I got a hold of the recall 800 number, and I phoned. The guy actually picked up the phone, man. I was like, you're actually answering the phone? I don't have to go through an automated thing right here? And he laughed and he went, yeah, it's not a very busy line. So anyway, he confirmed a couple things with me. The first one is that I said, okay, if I got this cap, first of all, and I just take that into a Stihl dealer and say, this has D on it, here's this, give me a new cap. He said, no, you can absolutely not do that. You have to take the whole machine in because the dealer needs the serial number off of it so they can put their paperwork through to be reimbursed from Stihl Limited so they can get their money back for that cap. The other thing he confirmed with me was that recalls have no timeout. They do not expire like a warranty 2 years, 4 years. Some company has a 5-year warranty. Obviously, those time out. Recalls never time out. It doesn't matter how old this thing is. Take that in, and they're going to put... Stihl wants these caps back. They don't want them in circulation. The reason that I figured out why they wanted to do this is because ethanol in the fuel was warping. They said something about warping the plastic on this, where now you're using your chainsaw or something, and it warps and it starts leaking, and now you have gasoline pouring down your leg. Well, that's not only a safety hazard, it can burn your skin and whatnot, and also for the Environmental Protection Agency, it's environmental. You're pouring gas all over the ground. It's an environmental issue also. That's why these are recalled. And yes, I do realize that this recall is back from 2011, but like the Stihl guy told me there, it doesn't matter. It doesn't expire. Take this stuff in to your Stihl dealer. They should put a new cap on there for you, test the cap and all that stuff, and then they just whip their paperwork through and you have a free cap again. The whole reason that I decided to do this video was because the last video I did on how to fix these caps Comments, you guys comment. I love it when you comment on my videos, because there was like 5 or 6 comments on there that said, hey Steve, you remember they were recalled back in like 2011 or something like that. And I went, oh yeah, I forgot about that. So then that's why I wanted to check into it and see if that recall was still valid or not. And yep, giddy up, it is valid. You can still take this stuff in and get a new gas cap. So I hope I helped some of you guys out there again, as usual. And all I can say is cheers and Steve out.